The good news about Jesus has gone to Mark chapter 1 from verse 21 to verse 45. Jesus run out one demon. Later, Jesus and him follower them left go Capernaum. On the Sabbath, him go in at the Jew them church and start to teach. Everybody shocked when they hear the sitting them when him did a teach, cause him did teach like somebody will have the right and the power to do it. Him then teach like the law teacher them. Same time, one man with it in at the Jew them church where demon did take control of, ball out. Jesus and Nazareth, where you want with we? You come to kill we off? Me know who you be. You are the only one we come from God. Keep your mouth, Jesus said to the demon in a one serious voice. Come out of the man. The demon fling him down and make him dead there flatter. It bawl out loud and come out of him. The people them did well shock. So them asked them one another, and what this here? Are some powerful news sitting him a teach? The man here all have the power and the right for other demon to come out of people and them do him say. News about Jesus spread fast all over the area around Galilee. Jesus makes sick people get better. After Jesus left the Jew them church, them got straight to Simon and Andrew house. James and John, they go with them too. Simon mother-in-law did sick in a bed of roast with fever. When Jesus reached the house, them tell him about her. Jesus go to her, hold her hand and take time raise her up. The fever broke and she start look after them. After the sun go down and evening come, the people them carry all of the sick people them and all of the people them with demon did a control go at Jesus. The whole town gather up at the house door. So him heal whole heap of them when it's sick with all kind of different sickness and run out demon out and enough of them. But him never met the demon them say nothing cause them didn't know who him be. Jesus preached in a Galilee. Early in the morning, when it is still dark, Jesus get up and go find one place where nobody not there. So him could have stand there and pray. So Simon and his friend them start look for him. When them find him, them say to him, say, everybody a look for you. So him answer them say, make we go to some other place in the district them where they near you so me can preach to them too. Cause at that me come out here for do. So him go all about Galilee, go preach in the Jew them church and run out demon out of people. Jesus heal one fussy skin man. One fussy skin man come to Jesus. Him go down on him knee and beg Jesus to help him. Him say, if you want to cure me and make me clean, you have the power to do it. Jesus feels sorry for the man. So him stretch out him hand and touch him and say, me want you to get clean. Go on, you're better now. The man get better same time and his skin get clean. Same time, Jesus warn him off trang and send him away. Jesus tell him say, make sure say you not say nothing to nobody about this. Now that you get better, just go and go show yourself to the priest and carry the sacrifice when Moses last say you forgive when your skin get better. That will show everybody so you get clean. But the man left and start praying to everybody where Jesus do for him. So from that, Jesus couldn't go in a town and make nobody see him. Him have to turn in at the country part, far from the town. But people still keep on and come to him from all about. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.